I was sent another air duster or air pump from another company after making a video about a very similar looking product. And they sent me this one, which I've really enjoyed actually. The first pump I got from another company only lasted one charge and then would never turn on again, so that was sad. And it comes with a number of different tips. This one's great for blowing up inflatable toys, dusting, inflatable beds, XYZ. I'll show you some examples. First example I have is blowing out water from bikes and things that could rust. Anything that water gets into and you want to get it out so it doesn't corrode metal. I thought this is a good idea. You can see it is getting quite a bit of water out. You can see the water spraying. Overall, I do use this for random things that I just need to blow out odd objects. The other pump I got that looked just like this only lasted one charge before it would never charge again. And then this company reached out and offered this one, which was kind of interesting timing. Is it the same company? I don't know. They say they aren't. But this Roedix one has been pretty nice. It charges with USB-C, which is standard for most things, and it has a little grippy grip on here. Overall, would recommend. And you can stick things on this backside and suck air out. So you can stick different nozzles on the front here, and then you can also suck air out by sticking this on this side. This will suck air out, push it in. Overall, nice dual function. The thing I like to do is just dust off my desk. My hair gets on the desk, dust, random organic particles. Overall, nice to just be able to blow things off quickly. Also nice to just blow off your keyboard from time to time. Here's an example of blowing up an inner tube with this pump. Pretty handy to just keep in the car. And then it does have that tip that you can blow up the smaller inflatable raft style things instead of using your mouth. Overall, pretty quick, pretty handy, nice to have around. But so far, I've really liked this Roedix pump. Here's the on switch, and then two different modes. And you can see it's pretty strong. Thank you, Roedix, for sending this to me. They're going to send me another vacuum/pump combo, and I'll review that as well. Please like and sub if you like this. My main thing is audio, but I do like tech.